Yes, 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 SE family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm going to create a fantastic adult coloring book pages real quick. Literally, I'm going to try and get it down to 5 minutes real quick. Show you exactly how to do it step by step. You got to stay with me because I'm going to be as quick as I can, but it's going to be a fantastic core video. So stay right to the end, man. Anyways, as usual, if you love digital products, self creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget share, because just share, yeah, because we love it. Anyways, let's go. So listen, the most popular, and I've done a video on it, so do check this out. I've done a video on profitable adult coloring pages, right? Books. So do check it out in the coloring book playlist. Check out my playlist, and don't forget, listen. They're probably the most popular kind of types of coloring pages because they need to be stress release. That, you know, people are stressed. It's about relieving someone from their kind of stress, feeling down, you know, something to motivate them. So they're usually like mandalas. They're usually like cool, nice little landscapes, things like that. Yeah. So mandalas are really popular in terms of the style. Just show you very quickly. Mandalas will be something like this, right? This is a kind of mandala type. Look, 20 plus in a basket, boom, bestseller, boom. You know, them ones, those kind of ones, yeah? These kind of mandala style, okay? That kind of sort of style-esque. Yeah, so these do very well. So I'm going to stick to this sort of idea, I'm going to stick to this kind of mandala. I want to do a mandalas, right? But look, really quick in Midjourney AI, I'm going to just boom, be quick, right? Let's go. So check it out, man. Jumping on Midjourney, what you do, the first thing you need to do is you need to go to imagination, or should I say imagine. Put a prompt in. The prompt is going to be words which you want to describe what you want to create. What we're going to do is I'm going to be quick, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. So you can do the detail if you need to, but I'm going to give you the tips of what you need to include. Now, what I've written down, I've gone to version 6. I've done mandala coloring page, and I've gone dash aspect ratio 2550 by 3300. That's in pixels, yeah? Because obviously, as you should know, sizes of a traditional page, the common size of a page is 8.5 by 11 inches. And 8.5 by 11 inches in pixels is that number that I just gave you. So just pause the video if you need to do it. And then all you need to do is go down and then click enter, enter. Let's see what we got. Now, there's a few ways of doing this. I could actually do like straight like images one after the other, like I've done with clip art bundles. If you've seen my video on generating lots of clip art bundles on Midjourney, but I'm not. I'm gonna do it a different way, and I'll tell you why. But let it generate, man. Let's see what we got. Now, I should really probably put on a white background, but Midjourney AI should figure this one out. It should know what it is that I want. Now, what I'm going to do for the purposes of this video, I'm going to literally create probably 5 pages, right? And, you know, you'll probably be able to figure out the rest. And I suggest, obviously, to do a nice, you know, amount of pages when you do it. So actually go on Etsy or check out my video and just see traditionally how many pages do they have. I mean, this one's got 60, for example, the one that I just saw right just before, right? This one's got 60 pages. I think, you know, you want to, if you're coming in new, you want to do a good amount of pages so that you can stand out at a good, reasonable price as well, so that you're quite competitive. Okay, so we've generated our mandalas. And look what I'm saying. Look, you just got to just analyze. Look at these. I mean, look, this is without even putting too much into the prompt. Let me just open this up for you so you can see them. Now, the kind of mandalas you want to get, you don't want to get mandalas that have shading. So I like to stay away from anything that's shaded. I like to go with these ones, which are less shading. These are better. Those are better mandalas. Yeah, mandalas without shading are probably best. So like I said, this is quite good there. That's this one. This one's very good. This one on the left, I probably wouldn't go with because there's just too much shading, right? So yeah, I mean, look, that is one thing. Now I'm gonna give you some tips along the way. So let's just go back for a second, okay? And let's say you're gonna upscale this one, right? So let's say we're gonna take number 2. So I'm gonna upscale number 2. Now remember, if you want to create more different mandalas, just regenerate, guys. Just regenerate. Go to Midjourney here and click regenerate. It's going to create for you another 4 different ideas. Now I'm going to take this one first. Remember, I think I'm going to do, how many did I say I'm going to do? 5. I want to click this one. First thing I'm going to do, once you upscale it, remember, just upscale it. Okay. Upscale it. And then save it, right? Did I wait for the upscaling? I'm not even sure if I waited. Yeah, I did. Okay. So once you've upscaled it, save it in your documents, right? Save it. Save image as. Put in your downloads, put on your laptop, put wherever you want, right? Save it in there, right? And then I'm going to repeat that process, right? I want to see some nice, decent mandalas style, you know. Here, did I create any more? I must have created more. Oh, it's still working. Meanwhile, I'll go for this one. Let me just see this one. I don't want it shaded really. Okay. I'll go for... Let me go for this number 3. Upscale that. Okay. Let me click that. Save this one in my browser. So what I want to do is I want to save like, because I'm just going to do a demo of 5. But obviously if I was doing a book, I'd definitely do more than that. I would look at 50, 60, you know, that kind of number. That's what I would do. Okay, so you want to just make sure that you're saving, just for the purpose of this video, I'm just getting 5. That one's decent. I'm going to take number 2. And then I'm going to probably want to regenerate. I'll take that one. Okay, so I'm going to just go ahead very quickly and just make sure I got 5. Okay, so now that you got your 5, let's say 30, 40, 50 plus. Now I've just done my 5 pages right now. So what I'm going to do is I want to jump onto Canva. I want to get that pages ready so I can upload it and download it. Basically high quality, 300 DPI, ready for printing, right? So check this out. Ready as a digital download and for customers to print. So this is what you do. You got to go custom size. My custom size is look, 8.5 by 11, which is one of the common sizes for these coloring pages, is what it is. But remember, I mean, we've done our sizes that we created in Midjourney is pretty much the equivalent of that. Is the equivalent of that in pixels anyway. So it's fine. You can do it as a you can do it as a pixels, or you can write as an inch. It doesn't actually matter as long as it's the right size. So I can go create design or create new design. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is just upload all my images. I'm going to get my pages ready. So that's add page. I'm going to do 5 just for the purpose of this video. Was that 5? Oh God, it's 6. Yeah, 5. Okay, so there's 5 pages ready to go. Upload my designs. Let me go to upload. How many have I got? 1. To get this. Upload all of those 4. I've already got 1 done. So that's going to be 5 altogether. Double check I do have this one. Yeah, that's fine. Yep, that's fine. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want to start uploading these, right? So this is what you do. So you upload it. See? So that means you can see that the ratio is correct. All it needs is just drag in, which is going to be fine. And then it sits perfectly within this. Look at that. It's actually great. It sits nicely. And then you go to page 2. And then you go to page 2. Get your next design. Stretch out. Okay. So it's in proportion, which is exactly what you need. That's the proportions. Go down. Get that design. Go down. Beautiful mandalas, man. Beautiful mandalas. Remember, get lots of pages. All done. Ready. Go to 3rd. Go to my 4th. Did I do this one? I don't think I did. Fourth. Yeah. That's it. Look, in proportion. Perfect. Last one, number 5. Where's my design number 5? Down there, isn't it? Yep, there it is. Why am I clicking it? I design it. Put it down, man. Okay, that's my mandala. Boom. Actually, great mandala designs. Remember, you can do animal mandalas. There's all sorts. Anyway, that's my 5 pages, right? Very easy. Done. Look, share, download, go to, now listen, you need to go to PDF print, right? PDF print for the best for printing, right? And I'm just gonna demonstrate why this is so good, right? So then download it. Okay, boom, 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 downloaded. Remember, obviously, you do a lot more pages. This is just for the purposes of this video. Okay, so this is the one. So make sure that you name it with what you're gonna have as your listing, possibly, and then you got your PDF. Okay, so let's have a look at best for printing PDF format digital download. And that's it. We've got our 5 pages. 1, 2, all in a nice PDF. 3, 4, 5. Nice, easy format. Easy. There you go. And that is your 5-page mandala adult coloring pages, mate. Don't forget to check out also my playlist, because I show you how to do a front cover, mock-up, coloring page that you can get going. But do check out my playlist. There's lots of tips and advice for coloring pages, mate. Hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.